part of the question, our third and final part, which is calculate the percentage profit made by the store by offering the customer a hire purchase arrangement. Being able to calculate our hire purchase price correctly, as well as being able to find our savings accurately, will help us get to the third part. So CSEC usually breaks down a question into a whole process where each part is directly linked to the other. And if you make a mistake from the first part, you may affect your final part, which can obviously affect your marks. Now, sometimes CSEC has this process of marking what they call the error carried forward. So if you were to make an error up here, they would penalize you probably here, but not penalize you moving forward, because you would have had maybe one minor error, maybe, for instance, a person who made a mistake with the hire purchase by adding back the cash price to this, because they used the incorrect hire purchase price throughout, they would have still been allocated those marks for savings calculation, as well as part of it. We're going to do this with the percentage profit. Okay, so one of the things I really like about consumer arithmetic problems is that there are certain topics in consumer arithmetic which just link to others, and you can make one really big question out of so many little topics. Alright? So that's how percentage profit in general, links up now with the hire purchase here. So how do we calculate percentage profit? First, we need to know whether or not we made a profit by selling them the refrigerator on hire purchase versus cash price. And it's pretty clear to see, right? Just by looking at the hire purchase price in comparison to our cash price, you can tell this is significantly larger, almost $10,000 more if you purchase on hire purchase versus just paying cash. Now, when we look at savings, if we were to purchase on cash, we see it more or less quantified here. The savings is $9,940. So, some people, like I was saying earlier, if they have the cash price facility at the beginning, they would just buy it on cash knowing that they could save so much money. Whereas some people might prefer the convenience of not having to pay all the money up front, but pay it out gradually over a period of time. And for many companies, this facility of a hire purchase plan is usually quite feasible for them because they are able to rake in massive profits, right? So imagine if everybody came in and bought their fridge on hire purchase, the kind of money they make off of one hire purchase plan. So let's get to working out our percentage profit. So we know for a fact we have profit because, like we've seen, the hire purchase price is clearly very much larger than the cash price, and we see the amount is significantly different by. And we see clearly from the savings the difference between the cash price and the hire purchase price. So let's move on to doing the percentage profit. Percentage profit. Our percentage profit is calculated by finding our profit in cash dividing it by the cash price, alright? Dividing it by the cash price. So why are we going to use cash price and not hire purchase price? So most people would look at it and think to themselves, well, they're asking for percentage profit based on the hire purchase arrangement. However, you need to bear in mind that this is a higher purchase price, and the only way you can calculate profit or make a comparison of profit is if you compare it to your original cash price. Okay, so that's the reason why we have to calculate profit as a percentage out of the cash price. Alright, so profit over cash price multiplied by 100% is how we're going to calculate our percentage profit. So some people might reach there now and think to themselves, well, here, where is profit going to come from? And profit indirectly comes from your savings value, alright? Because if somebody was to choose to purchase the fridge on cash price, they technically would be saving the money that the company is making in profit off of their hire purchase plan. So what we'll do is put our profit of 9,940. Right? So what would have been savings for somebody is actually the profit that the company is going to be making. So 9,940 over our cash price of 10,500. We're multiplying this by 100%. Okay? So obviously, we have some really large numbers to work with. Okay, so from here, if you want, you could go straight to your calculator and just plug in these values, and you'll be able to work out what your percentage profit is. So the percentage profit roughly works out to be 94.67%. The reason why I say roughly, this is actually a recurring decimal that you're going to be getting here. So if you've written 94.67%, you would have gotten the correct answer, which would have allowed you 2 marks, which was the full amount for this particular part. Alright, so being able to correctly identify the process of finding your percentage profit and then to get the final answer, 1 mark here, 1 mark here, and you would have gotten 2 marks. Okay? So another thing, because they did not really specify a degree of accuracy by saying a round off to 1 decimal place or 1 significant figure, etc., etc., I was not too critical of your final answer, in the sense that if you wrote 94.67, you got your 1 mark. If you wrote 95%, running off correctly to the nearest whole number, I was giving you that mark as well. And if, however, you put 94%, I couldn't really give you the mark because that's not correct if you were rounding off to the nearest whole number. Okay? So, as I was emphasizing with our last lesson on number theory and computation, we need to understand the process of doing approximations properly. Okay, so this is how you would have worked out your consumer arithmetic problem, study, practice. Look at your past papers. If you know that you're not somebody who's really good with consumer arithmetic or number theory and computation, look at other past paper questions. Feel free to do them and send them to me, and I can get back to you with some feedback as soon as possible. Until our next video session.